All right, guys, so I'm headed back to the free chicken feed compost bin that we've got. I noticed it the other day. It was starting to get a little bit more filled with larvae, and I think it is ready to be harvested. So I haven't looked at it yet, but let's see what we got going on in here. All right, well, looks like we got a lot of movement. Oh, and look, we got a bunch here in the bucket, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, but let's see what this is looking like. Oh yeah, lots of bugs. So, you know, it's been about maybe 2 months since I put all this in there. You can see this is turned down quite a lot. It's not food recognizable anymore, so it just took it a while to get started, and than that month that I was originally thinking. So now we got, most of them are in that bucket. We got a few that are not, so let's go ahead and take this. So yeah, you can see there's a few that kind of missed, but I got quite a bit. So let's go show the chickens their little snack. All right. Okay, so now let's go to the other chickens, what I call the pretty chickens, the lavender Orpingtons over here. And see, they're a little more skittish, so that may take them a minute to come over to us. All right. All right, let me back up so the rest of them can get it. All right, so it looks like we have success here with this system. I'm gonna go ahead and reset it here. I gotta get some more food to kind of keep this process going, and that way we can just keep them producing more and more. But looks like it started to work. At least it's a little bit of a snack for the chickens and not quite a full replacement of their feed. But anyway, I appreciate you sticking around for this video. I'll see you on the next one.